Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Hilton account. So if you also want to log in Hilton account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in hilton.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Hilton. From here you'll be able to book the hotels and resorts. You'll be able to find several options over here. So if you do not have an account, all you have to do is click on the join option that you can see right over here. After that you'll be able to register for your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in to your account, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. From here you'll be able to sign into your account. All you have to do is enter the credentials over here. First of all, what you have to do is enter your username or Hilton member number. After you enter the username or Hilton Honors number, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter the correct password over here. If you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on the option Forgot Your Info. After that, you'll be able to recover your account. But if you remember your username and password, simply go ahead and enter the credentials. Now, after you enter the username and password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your Gmail. All you have to do is open the Gmail. Simply go to new tab. Click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Hilton has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see a verification code over here. Memorize this code or you can also copy this code if you want. Simply select this code, press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now paste the code over here. Simply press Ctrl V on your keyboard. After that, what you have to do is click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Hilton account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.